Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. I hope I caught you in a good mood, and just in case you are not in a good mood, today I am going to help you brighten up your day. So, as you can see, I'm going to work on a 12-inch diameter wooden panel, and the base coat that I'm going to use is fossil gray. Now let me introduce to you the colors that I'm going to use. The green has Art Minds Candy Apple mixed with primary elements olive vine, and these are my only color or go-to green combinations that I go to. Probably I should start experimenting with other greens as well, but for now this is my go-to green color. The first color that you see, you probably need to put on a sunglass when I show you this color. This one is called Vermilion Hue, which is from Galleria Acrylic Winsor Newton's color. It's really bright and vibrant. I like it. The second color that you see, this one is, of course, my TLP's Groovy mixed with Quintegron Magenta Professional Series from Liquitex Basics. So those two colors gave me that bright, beautiful magenta color. The second one is also from TLP's Groovy mixed with Artist Love's Professional Series, Quintegron Blue Violet. This is so pretty. Like, I love that color. I'm so glad that I bought that one. So those are the three flower colors that I am going to start with. And and the fourth one is the orange color from Color Shift paint from Folk Arts. And so these are my colors I will start with, and we'll see how the whole thing comes up. So for now I will stop talking and I'll catch you up towards the middle. Now I'm going to spin, and my goal is to make sure that all the sides are symmetrical. Here's the problem. I love this piece, but you can see that one side has kind of like extended more than the other sides, and which I am really upset about. So what I'm doing, as you can see, I am centering the wooden panel on my spinner in a way which is kind of off centered. So I am kind of dangling the sides which is not spreading too much towards the outside, and trying to center the sides which are already spread enough. So that's how I am kind of moving the wooden panel to make it balanced, or try to spin all the sides equally so the patterns looks pretty. So now this is what I got, which is so beautiful, so pretty. Each and every flower looks like they are literally live blooming. So those flowers are so pretty, but on the bottom side I'm not really fond of those flowers, first of all. Second of all, in the center I was trying to keep it balanced, but it's kind of like oblonged negative space, which is also eyesore for me. So I'm really struggling myself what to do, because I cannot change it that much, but what else can I do? Therefore, I decided to fill it up. I don't know. You guys are going to tell me in the comment section if I did the right thing or I should have left it alone. I was thinking, like, if I don't do this, I would probably regret, or if I mess it up, I will regret. So, regardless, I'm going to regret. At least I'm this way, I'm taking a chance of making it right. So please in the comment section, I want to hear from you. What do you think? If you think that like I should have left it by itself, let me know. Otherwise, like, either way, let me know. So the color that I'm using here is called Knockout from Arts Mind, which is a very subtle, beautiful color. The other colors, the bottom colors, are so bright and vibrant. I thought I needed to balance it out with some soothing colors. So let's see how it will turn out. Now I am getting kind of like uncomfortable. First of all, it's too busy. Okay, I can get past that. And but the thing is, in a bouquet, when the flowers are together, and if you think it that direction, it actually is very realistic. However, on one side of the panel you can see I have teensy bit of empty negative space. If I could add some of those on the other side, I think it'll look really pretty. So I think I'm going to use my base coat to cover some of the petals on the other side to get some negative space, and that way I think the composition will look really pretty. So as you can see here, I'm trying to create some of the negative space just to balance out the other sides. So once I created some negative space on the other side, I think it kind of looks balanced now. Don't you think so? Please share your thoughts. What did you think? Some of you or most of you might find it very busy, but if you think it in a way that it's a bouquet of flowers and it's pretty realistic, I should say, the bouquet looks like if you take a picture from the top. So thank you for now. See you soon.